Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upload and use custom font in Clipchamp. Perfect for adding a personal or branded touch to your videos. So first you have to log in Clipchamp. Then on the left hand side menu, click on the brand kit. There, this is where you can upload your brand logos, fonts, and colors. So if you have the premium, you can upload it. So next step is to create video. Go on home and create new video. Start from scratch. Now scroll down and select the brand kit option and choose font. Select a font file from your computer. Now return to your project, add text element and go to the font drop down. You will see your custom font list. Click it to apply it to your text. And that's it. You have successfully uploaded and applied a custom font in Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.